Goldilocks and the Three Bears by Hamish Ferry. It's too hot! It's too cold! Yum, this is just right! This chair's too hard! This chair's too soft! This chair's just right! Oh dear! This bed's too hard! This bed's too soft! This bed's perfect! Meanwhile, at the kitchen.
Somebody's been eating my porridge.
Someone's been eating my porridge. Someone's been eating my porridge. And it's done.
Someone's been sitting in my chair.
Someone's been sitting in my chair. Someone's been sitting in my chair. And broke it!
Someone's been in my bed.
Someone's been in my bed. Someone's been sleeping in my bed. And she's still here! Ow! Goldilocks was to hospital and made a full recovery. She was also fined for trespassing. Don't go on someone's house without permission. Goldilocks was curious but wasn't caring for other people's property. She should have been collaborative and asked the bears. Amy Spelling. The end.